day to you from Bouncy. It's springtime and all the birds are busy making nests to lay their eggs. Would you like to make a nest too? We can even make a bird and eggs. Let's go. What you need for the nest is old books or newspaper, a plastic bowl, scissors, glue. Cut thin strips of paper from old book pages and newspaper. Take the plastic bowl, apply glue to the bowl's surface and on strips of papers. Stick the strips of paper to the bottom and sides of the bowl like this. The nest is ready. Now let's make the eggs. To make the eggs, you can either use clay or chapati dough. Shape them into ovals to look like eggs. You could also use oval stones like these and paint them to look like eggs. Our final task is to make the mother bird. You need white paper, pencil, sketch pens, crayons or paint. First, draw a circle. Draw a smaller circle on top of the other circle. Draw a beak on the top circle. Draw 2 small circles to make the eyes of the bird. Draw the crest of the bird. Draw the wings of the bird. Draw the legs of the bird. Color or paint the drawing. Stick the drawing on a cardboard sheet. Cut out the outline of the bird along with the cardboard. Place the bird in the nest with the eggs. Your beautiful nest is ready. Now, wasn't that easy? Did you see what a lovely nest you can make with these materials? There are other things you can make with these, like envelopes from the old newspaper. Or you could use the plastic bowl as a flower pot. Can you think of other ways in which to use such materials? List them out. Did you see what interesting objects you can make with things that usually end up in the dustbin? Next time, think a little and you'll come up with such great ideas.